Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson Overview of Wage Orders. California wage orders are a crucial component of the state's labor regulations, providing detailed rules and guidelines that govern employee wages, hours, and working conditions. These orders are essential for HR professionals seeking to master the PHRca certification, as they ensure compliance with California's stringent labor laws. This lesson offers a comprehensive overview of wage orders, emphasizing their significance, structure, and application in the workplace. Wage orders in California are issued by the Industrial Welfare Commission, a now-defunct agency whose responsibilities have been taken over by the California Division of Labor Standards Enforcement. These orders are legally binding and cover a wide range of industries and occupations, ensuring that employees receive fair wages and work under acceptable conditions. There are 17 wage orders in total, each designated by a specific number and tailored to different industries such as manufacturing, agriculture, and the public housekeeping industry. Each wage order comprises numerous sections detailing various aspects of employment such as minimum wage, overtime pay, meal and rest breaks, record keeping, and other working conditions. For instance, Wage Order 4-2001 applies to professional, technical, clerical, mechanical, and similar occupations, while Wage Order 14-2001 pertains to agricultural occupations. These orders ensure that employers adhere to consistent standards, promoting fairness and equity in the workplace. One of the key components of wage orders is the specification of minimum wage rates. California has one of the highest minimum wages in the United States, reflecting its commitment to protecting workers' rights. As of January 1, 2023, the minimum wage in California is $15.50 per hour for all employers. However, wage orders may stipulate higher minimum wages for certain industries or specific types of work, ensuring that employees in those sectors receive adequate compensation. For example, Wage Order 5-2001 sets higher minimum wage rates for employees in the public housekeeping industry, recognizing the demanding nature of their work. Overtime pay is another critical aspect addressed by wage orders. In California, non-exempt employees are entitled to overtime pay at 1.5 times their regular rate of pay for hours worked beyond 8 in a day or 40 in a week. Additionally, double time pay is required for hours worked beyond 12 in a day or for the first 8 hours on the 7th consecutive day of work in a work week. Wage orders provide detailed guidelines on overtime calculations, ensuring that employees are fairly compensated for their extra work. For example, Wage Order 9-2001, which applies to the transportation industry, specifies that driver hours must be closely monitored to prevent excessive overtime and ensure safety. Meal and rest breaks are another vital element of wage orders. California law mandates that non-exempt employees receive a 30-minute unpaid meal break for every 5 hours worked and a 10-minute paid rest break for every 4 hours worked. Wage orders provide further clarification on these requirements, including exceptions and additional provisions for specific industries. For example, Wage Order 1-2001, applicable to the manufacturing industry, outlines specific conditions under which meal breaks can be waived, such as when the total work period is no more than 6 hours and both employer and employee mutually consent to waive the meal break. Record-keeping requirements are also addressed in wage orders, emphasizing the importance of maintaining accurate and comprehensive employment records. Employers are required to keep detailed records of employees' work hours, wages, and other pertinent information for at least 3 years. These records ensure transparency and accountability, enabling employees to verify their wages and working conditions. Wage orders often specify additional record-keeping requirements for certain industries. For example, Wage Order 2-2001, which pertains to the personal service industry, mandates that employers maintain records of gratuities received by employees, ensuring that tips are distributed fairly. In addition to these core components, wage orders also address various other working conditions, such as reporting time pay, uniforms and equipment, and suitable seating. Reporting time pay provisions ensure that employees are compensated when they report to work, but are not provided with the expected amount of work. For instance, Wage Order 7/2001, which applies to the mercantile industry, stipulates that employees must be paid for at least half of their scheduled hours if they are sent home early. This provision protects employees from losing income due to unforeseen changes in their work schedule. The requirement for employers to provide uniforms and equipment is another significant aspect of wage orders. Employers must provide and maintain uniforms if they are required as a condition of employment, and they must also reimburse employees for the cost of purchasing and maintaining any necessary equipment. Wage Order 8/2001, applicable to the industries handling products after harvest, includes specific provisions regarding the provision and maintenance of tools and equipment used by employees. Suitable seating requirements ensure that employees have access to adequate seating while performing their duties. Wage orders mandate that employers provide suitable seating when the nature of the work reasonably permits the use of seats. For example, Wage Order 15-2001, which applies to the household occupations industry, requires employers to provide suitable seating for household workers when they are not actively engaged in their duties. These provisions promote employee comfort and well-being, contributing to a healthier and more productive work environment. Enforcement of wage orders is carried out by the California Division of Labor Standards Enforcement, which investigates complaints and conducts inspections to ensure compliance. Employers found to be in violation of wage orders may face significant penalties, including fines and back pay for affected employees. The DLSE also provides resources and education to help employers understand and comply with wage orders, fostering a culture of compliance and respect for workers' rights. The significance of wage orders extends beyond mere compliance. They reflect California's broader commitment to protecting workers' rights and promoting fair labor practices. By establishing clear and consistent standards across various industries, wage orders help create a level playing field for employers and employees alike. They also serve as a model for other states and jurisdictions seeking to enhance their labor protections. For HR professionals pursuing the PHRca certification, a thorough understanding of wage orders is essential. Mastering these regulations not only ensures compliance with California labor laws, but also demonstrates a commitment to upholding the highest standards of employee welfare and workplace fairness. By familiarizing themselves with the intricacies of wage orders, HR professionals can effectively navigate the complex landscape of California labor regulations, contributing to a more equitable and just workplace. In conclusion, California wage orders play a pivotal role in regulating employee wages, hours, and working conditions across various industries. These orders provide detailed guidelines on minimum wage, overtime pay, meal and rest breaks, record keeping, and other critical aspects of employment. By ensuring compliance with wage orders, employers can promote fairness and equity in the workplace, while HR professionals can enhance their knowledge and expertise in California labor regulations. As such, a comprehensive understanding of wage orders is indispensable for anyone seeking to master the PHRca certification and excel in the field of human resources in California. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.